Hey everybody, welcome back to the Camping Post, and yes, we are back at it, refilling on our pole start fire starters. We can't get enough of these. I know we had already shared a video about it, but we love them so much we wanted to talk about it again. After using them on several recent camping trips since our last video, we can't help but gush about how much we love these little fire starters. They've been an absolute game changer. With the pole start fire starters, all we need to do is build our fire, a log cabin, and pull the string, and presto, within minutes we have a healthy fire crackling away. Thanks to these incredible little time savers, we can now focus on doing what we love most during our camping adventures, from cooking delicious bacon to preparing mouth-watering mahi and roasted broccoli, to indulging in our famous s'moreos. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call making s'moreos.
All you need is 2 Oreos, 1 finely roasted marshmallow.
So since we primarily camp on weekends, so we have limited time, these fire starters are a hassle-free method to get our fires blazing, allowing us to spend more time with our family and our friends, roasting marshmallows, sharing stories, and laughing, all while we bask in the glow of our effortless campfire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications!
Back in my day, we just called this a fire. Wait a second. It is my day.